Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to share this festive hairstyle which I accessorize with some flowers. So let's get started to the video. First I'm going to take my crown section hair and I'm going to divide it into two equal halves and I'm slightly twisting it over with each other, and that's how I create a puff. And I'm going to secure this with some bobby pin, and I'm going to pull some hair from my front section to make it more voluminized. Then I'm going to take some hair from the edge of my ears and I'm going to make a ponytail. And now I'm loosening up my ponytail little bit and going to make a hole in the middle section and twisting my ponytail through the hole like this. And I'm repeating the process once again to get the perfect knotted image. And now I'm going to take small equal halves from the side of my hair, and now I'm going to take the first section and pull my hair through the twisted knot like this way. And I'm repeating the same process for the other half as well. And now with all of my hair I'm going to create a normal 3-strand braid. And I'm going to secure this with some hair band, and here I'm going to create a loop like this. Now I'm roll it up like this and going to pull my hair a little bit for more volume and going to secure this roll with some U-pins. Now for some additional freshness I'm going to put this flower as well. So for that I'm going to tuck a bobby pin like this and going to tuck the bobby pin into my hair. This is the best way to keep the flowers in the same place all day long. Now I'm adding this flower also, and here I'm using the exact same process. First I'm going to tuck the flowers into the bobby pin and then going to tuck the bobby pin into my hair. For my front section hair I'm going to pull my hair for more volume, and that's it. That's the complete look. I hope you guys like this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more such videos.